Hello folks, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV Center in Turlock, California. Today I'm presenting you the biggest toy hauler garage model with 15-foot garage and 2 bathrooms. And that's what is behind me is the Keystone RV Impact 416. So I'm gonna show you in this video the outside, then the inside, then I'll show you the garage. And if you have a lot of toys, that's what you need. Let's go start from outside. As Fuzion, they always give us a nice full body cap. So this cap is totally painted, big cap, high profile. And then you have 2 power awning, 1 big power awning with LED light on this side. There's 1 in the back, 3 AC on the roof. As you see, the cameraman, 3 AC, 220 watt solar panel on the roof. 4-step to get in, 2 entry door, 1 through the garage, 1 through the living room. Big pass-through storage with a stereo, as well as a rubber mount on the cargo area. Slam luggage door, 2 big outdoor speakers, as you see right here. And this is the model 416. Triple axle. Why they do triple axle in the 416? So it could accommodate 15-foot clean garage, tip to tip, 15. Plus the second bathroom, and you have no problem putting 4-seaters plus bunch of quad, or 2-seaters and bunch of quad and dirt bike. That's the second awning, as you see right there. Floodlight, 3-season door, patio system, side ladder to go on the top. It's walkable roof, fuel stations with the controller, 50 amp power cord. You see the leg here. There's a 6-point hydraulic leveling system, not electric. Big slide out on the living area with the J lounge, and we go cash up inside. And here's your wardrobe for the bedroom. 1-piece docking station where you hot, cold, showers, cable, satellite, all the cables right here. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. This is the auto controller, auto leveling system. And there's a 2 propane tank, 1 in each side, 7-gallon, 1 here, 1 there. The unit come with the 5500 power flex. And then this is the place for the battery and the hydraulic pump. Let's go inside, because you could not believe me when I tell you this 416 has the biggest kitchen floor counter space, biggest kitchen counter space, biggest seating area, biggest garage, 15-foot, 2 bathroom, and 416 coming in. Folks, I'm inside the Impact 416. 416, why people loving it? For 3 reasons. First, this seating, the J lounge. So I could be sitting here, nice recliners, facing my TV. There's another recliner here. There's another recliner. This side and that side is electric. The one in the middle is manual. So this one here, I'll show you. This side, beautiful. Kick back. Nice weather today, chilly. Where's my hot drink? And watch a movie. So that's one thing. Also, it is nice when you have a family members, you sitting here and talking and have a nice conversations. That's one reason why they buy the 416. Reason number 2, look the amount of the kitchen counter space. I mean, from here all the way to here. So plenty kitchen counter space, coffee maker, toasters, mixers, prepping, washing dishes, prepping food, plenty room. Number 3, 15-foot garage, clean 15-foot garage. Number 4, 2 bathroom, including all of that. So we talk about the seating area with the big view windows, nice shelving here as well there. So you could put cell phone chargers here, whatever's, nice cup holders. Facing the J lounge, a fireplace, modern fireplace with a big TV. And this TV is a 40-inch smart TV on a swing arm, so I could swing it the way I want. Then you have a nice door underneath it. You could put all kind of stuff. Kitchen, it speaks for itself. 2 sink cover. Big country sink with a rise faucet. And then you have microwave cabinet from all the way to the ceiling. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it because I have got so much to do here. So much to store. It's nice 3-burner range on the 416. Beautiful marble look, backsplash, easy to clean, easy to wipe. Oven, cooking pan, place for trash can. No, and by the way, they give you the trash cans right here, full with order manuals. Nice. Big doors for tinsels, remote controls. I mean, amazing. And then pantries, come on. 2 pantries they give you. One on this side, one on the other side, one on the top of the fridge. Now people, they say, come on, stop opening these doors. We're tired from you opening all these compartments. Voila. What do you need, ladies, what do you need more than that? I don't know what you're gonna fill it out. I mean, all kind of around the fridge pantries. And then they give you the fridge, all this fridge and a freezer, and then you have a nice rack over here. So that's the reason why people, they love the 416, from the kitchen, from the seating. And I'm repeating myself just to emphasize when you're comparing toy haulers, why you need to come to MSRP and grab the 416. Now I'm really anxious to show you now the garage. Voila. It's a 15 foot from this door all the way to where my cameraman's standing, and it's clean. I could bring my toys all the way here. I could put my 4-seaters. Any 4-seaters you have in mind will fit. D-ring 5000, welded to the frame, not bolted. You just pull it. Oh my God, it's hard. And right there, and they are welded to the frame, so no issue. And you put it back. I could put washer and dryer here if you choose. I could do also stackable if you want to. We have ability. This is the second bath in the garage with the medicine cabinet sink, porcelain toilet. Now, typical Fuzion garage, and I said all of them. 3rd AC in the garage. Electric bed with the ladder come with it, and that's electric, not a manual. My competitor's manual. This is electric. 2 benches with a cup holder in the middle, and those one they turn to one big bed. 2 people sleep that way. That table, 3-season door as you see, patio system. A lot of windows, and then on the impact, prep for TV over here, and a loft. Some people, they put loft for kids, but some people use it for storage. So you sleep 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom, and this. And by the way, everybody asked me that question. That bed, when I bring it down, it stopped right here. And this one all the way down. So 2, 4, 5 people sleep in the garage. And they have a heat element right there, the vent for the heater, and the air condition right there with the remote control right there. Now, let's go to the master bedroom. A beautiful modern look. I love this paneling. Give contrast between this paneling and that paneling. Storage around the bed. Nice 60 by 80 true queen bed with 2 shelves with the CPAP plugs, inverter plugs, more storage, and all entire bed is the storage for blanket, sheets, pillows, and here's the power cord. And then very roomy to walk in and use it for change. And then all the slide out is hanging clothes, shelves, adjustable or hanging clothes, whatever you want. Bunch of doors for socks, underwears, and a nice 32-inch TV. Go there and you have your own AC in the bedroom. 3 AC. Going to the master bathroom. I love it. Mirror sink, nice sink, porcelain toilet, and linen closet or tall closet. More storage for trash can, more doors. Don't want to open all of them. And then the shower, one-piece shower, easy to get in with a nice shower fixture, skylight, elbow, one piece, no leak. Folks, all I could say, come to Best RV. We are very well known, the king of toy haulers in California. King of toy haulers in California. We got so much toy hauler with garages and non-garage, no dealer have, all of them in one location. And what we provide you, low prices, no one could match, no hidden fees. Just come by and get your toys and let's go to Pismo.